Okay, after you've waited for a while, hopefully you'll receive this message, and it's basically telling you that the upload is successful and that you can pick it up in YouTube. At this point, you can have a look to see what it looks like, or you can send a link to a friend, or you can just click OK and go on to the next bit. Okay, so let's just click OK. Okay, the next thing we need to do is to have a look at it on YouTube. So if you bring up whatever web browser you're using, and go to YouTube, you should be able to just make sure everything's arrived okay. It might not be there to see, but you should get some sense whether it's arrived or not. You just need to sign in using the DefCreate identity and the password. And once you sign in, you go to an area on YouTube which just relates to you. So if we go to my videos now, we should see if it's come through. And there it is, Christmas morning. And you can see it's public, so it's available for people to see. The next thing we need to do is get the embed code. If we just go to play, and we don't need to watch it, we can pause it. You'll see that there's some information over here on the right. I'm just going to zoom into that a little bit. Okay, and that's the embed code, and this is what you need to then make a link on the DefCreate site which will allow you to watch the film through the DefCreate blog. So if we just zoom back out, and all you need to do, click in it once and it will highlight blue, press Command and C at the same time, and that will copy that embed code. What I then do is I open a different tab within the browser. In Firefox it's just a case of pressing Command T. I think it's the same command in Safari. And on my second page I can open up DefCreate. Now at this point there's two ways you can do it. You can either just sign into this page. It's probably the easiest thing to do. If you've got more than one blog spot, you can sign into the dashboard. And because the computer recognises me, it's come straight up. So I now can go to New Post in DefCreate, and I can create a title. So Christmas morning. And underneath, if I click in the main box here, I can then paste that long embed code, and you can see all this information comes in. It looks really daunting, but don't panic. The only two bits we need to worry about are the two width parameters or dimensions. So where it says width followed by 3 numbers, we need to swap whatever number was there with 408. Okay, it appears twice. So each time, I'll just zoom in on that a little bit. Each time you see width followed by 3 numbers, replace 560 or whatever it might say with 408. And the only reason we do that is so that it will fit our box perfectly. Okay, and then we might put a quick message. So this is our film of last year's Christmas. Okay, when you're happy with the text and you remember to put capital C for Christmas, you can just go to Publish Post. And you can then go to View Blog to have a look at it on the site, and you can see there it is. I'll probably delete this because the film's got no reference to or real relevance to the site, but hopefully that's shown you how to get a film from iMovie shared to YouTube, and from YouTube there to DefCreate. Okay.